Akshita and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are staying inside at home and being healthy. This is the time you all are inside and getting bored, have nothing to do and just curiously waiting for this time of phase to get over. But I'll tell you one thing, this is a lifetime opportunity. This is the time, this is the best time. If we'll use it productively, then we can grow in our career to a next level. Especially being a teacher, this is the time to utilize to add some skills in your career, to add a peak to your career curve. So here I'm back with a new video and some ideas to utilize this quarantine time to earn some bucks of money as well as to increase your career level to a next height. So if you are a return subscriber, do like, share and comment under the video and share. Let me know what else you are expecting from me. And if you are a new visitor, don't forget to subscribe the video and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. So the first idea is get certified as an IB teacher. IB means International Baccalaureate. Yes, if you are a normal CBSE or IG school teacher and you are earning in thousands, like might be 40, 50 or 60,000, and you want to increase your salary as well as you want to add a new skill into your knowledge, then this is the best course for you. This is a 1 month duration certificate course by which if you get this certificate you can work and apply in any IB schools. IB schools are really a new culture in India and there are very less teachers who are really aware about this course. So if you will complete this course, you will get the certificate, you will be in demand, and believe me, the IB schools are paying really well to the teachers and staff. So this is about the course. Now how we can join and how much is the period we need to finish this certificate course. This is a 1 month certificate course and what you need to do, you just need to go to the International Baccalaureate website, which this link I'll share in the description box, and when you scroll down on the website there is an email ID they mention. There you need to send a mail regarding your requirement, like which subject you want to apply for the training and like how long, and you want to do it online. All these details you need to share with them. Then they will issue you one date, like a period of 1 month when you can join this. It must be next week or might be maximum. They will give you a date of within the period of 15 days when you will apply through the mail. After that, they will assign you a guide, the trainer. He will guide you throughout your training. It's a 1 month training divided into 4 parts. You can say in 4 weeks, and each week the trainer will give you specified tasks, and these all tasks you need to finish within the week period. You will be a part of many discussion on the forum, and many participants will work together with you to get the certificate. Yes, within 1 month online by sitting at home and by doing this task, we'll get information about the International Baccalaureate course, the curriculum, what type of assignment the students will do, and what kind of culture and everything you get to know during this training. So I think this quarantine time is the best time to do this certificate course, as you are sitting home and you can do it easily. The second idea is learn a language. Yes, many of us are working in school, might be part-time or full-time, and many of the schools, they are really looking for multitasking teachers. Yes, for example, you are a science teacher, maths teacher, or maybe any other language teacher, and if you get a knowledge of a foreign language like Chinese, French, Japanese, so it will be a boon for you. What else a school need? One teacher will able to teach 2 different subjects. Yes, they will jump to hire you for that. And believe me, you will get a desired salary for that, because as a science teacher, if I'll or can also teach a Japanese or a French language, which are really in trend nowadays. Most of the school, they are running the part-time language courses like French, Japanese, Chinese, and some schools are also doing Sanskrit. So this is the best time. This quarantine might be a 2 or 3 months. You'll get a certificate, or you'll do a diploma of any language. When you check on Google, there are many websites which are really offering good language diplomas, and believe me, the period of these diplomas are not more than, because as we are already adult, we can easily catch any language with a short period of time. So in this 2 or 3 months of period, you can easily enroll yourself in any language course of your choice and get your diploma and add another feather to your cap. Now the next idea is not only going to add a skill to your career, but also will earn you few bucks in this free time. Yes, and that is online tuitions. Nowadays, students are not able, especially the 10th and 12th board students who are going to give their exam next year, and now already they pass out their grade 9 and grade 11, and they are in grade 10 and 12 now. As the schools are closed, they are not getting time, they are not getting exposure with the teacher thoughts, and they are sitting at home. Believe me, many parents, I've seen many advertisements on Facebook as well as on OLX and many other websites like this. The parents are really looking for teachers who will help the children with some online tuitions. You can use any software, like you can use Skype, you can use Zoom, and you can use Microsoft Teams. By using all these simple software, you can really earn well. There are students who are not able to go to any tuition physically, but they really want to finish their curriculum. This is the best time you can earn really well by giving the online tuitions, and it's a skill you're going to learn. Once you'll start giving tuitions online, might be you'll earn better than their normal teaching job. So it's a lifetime opportunity to check certain areas which you never got a chance to learn. The next one is get mastery on Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. Yes, nowadays teachers are multitasking. They have to do teaching as well as sometimes they need to prepare some admin documents. We need to prepare PowerPoint presentations. We need to help the student to submit certain assignments like in IGC and IB especially. So for all these things, we need to make sure we are really good in Microsoft Teams, Excel, and PowerPoint. This is the best time you can spend some time on to enhance these skills. If you will able to get mastery on Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, definitely it will be a boon for you when you start working after this vacation. It will be easy for you to calculate the data which you might spend hours on calculation. You can do easily them with the help of Excel, and might be you able to share the worksheets and assign easily with your students by making just the soft copies. The next one is the last but not the least. Just invest some time on your health. Being a teacher, I can understand how hectic the life is. We are working really hard in school. As we are coming back, we are working with our children, household chores, and so on. We never get time to invest on our health, and this is the best time. Believe me, as a teacher, health is really, really important. Not even as a teacher, as a human being, it's really important. And we teachers never get time to spend few hours on this health. Being a teacher, we never get time to spend ourselves with by doing some exercise or taking care of our skin. So this is the time. Utilize, don't waste it. Get a beautiful physics, because in job the personality is extremely important. Once you go there, you will be a new version of yourself. You will be with a new personality. Last but not the least, invest some time on your health. Being a teacher, I always found never a good time, a good me time you can say, to invest in my health. We are busy working in school. When we are coming home, there are many household goals. Along with that, we need to take care of a good family, so that all will get busy and we never get time to enhance our personality, our health, our fitness. Believe me, fitness and personality play a major role in a good job as well. So this is the best time. Utilize, spend some few hours on your skin, on your health, on your fitness. Do some exercise, take some yoga training. There are many sources available online. You just check on Google, check on YouTube, and you'll get plenty of resources. So believe me, teachers, just use this time. Don't let it go and thanks me later. Thank you so much. If you watch the video till here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe. This time will pass away soon.